just open the camera again now that we're under the bridge. First cast in, salmon, took it, came off immediately. There we are, we're on. Oh, off again. Oh yes, there we are. Coloured cockfish, I think. Yeah, definitely a cockfish. Because we're coloured, we're going to keep him in the water. Yeah, pretty little cockfish. I'll try and beach him if I can and get him in return, seeing he's coloured. He's got a little bit of fungi on his back by the look of him. If I can get down to where he is. Yeah, let's keep him in the water. There he is. Little cockfish, not very big. Keep him in the water all the time. And off he goes. Thank you very much.